A very welcome to all of you students. Now today we'll be doing some miscellaneous questions. Last time we have finished off with the topic matrices. आज कुछ हम miscellaneous questions करेंगे which will cover up the topic. Okay. Note down this question. If A is a matrix such that A into adjoint of A is given, then we want to find out determinant of A. Determinant of A का value निकालना है and these are the four options, multiple choice questions. Solution. Now observe very carefully students what he has given. He has given us A into adjoint of A matrix दिया है and we want to find out determinant of A का value. Now recollect, we have proved one of the properties of adjoint. So we'll be using the property of adjoint to find out the value of the determinant. चलो write down solution. देखो, we know that A into adjoint of A, we are writing down one property of a adjoint because we know that A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. ये प्रॉपर्टी है जो हम यूज करने वाले हैं determinant of A का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए. Now we'll have to be very careful. I have seen many times student क्या करता है, A into adjoint of A का वैल्यू दिया है, determinant of A का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए इसका determinant निकालता है and answer 20 into 20 determinant of A लिखता है 400. Absolutely it is a wrong answer. ये मैट्रिक्स A नहीं दिया है. This is A into adjoint of A दिया गया है, हमें determinant of A का वैल्यू निकालना है, तो A तो मालूम ही नहीं है हमें. So please do not find out the value of this determinant, it will be a wrong answer. Now what does the property says? A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Okay, now A into adjoint of A का matrix is already given to us. So write down. Let's use this property to find out the value of this determinant. Write down. A into adjoint of A matrix is given to us. That is nothing but what? 20 0 0 20. Now this matrix is same as adjoint of A into A. मतलब A into adjoint of A का जो आंसर है is same as adjoint of A into A. तो इसका आंसर भी वही आएगा 20 0 0 20 and this will be equal to determinant of A into identity matrix. Okay, now we all know that students that identity matrix is 1 0 0 1. Now we want determinant of A का value. अभी determinant of A का value हमें ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा कि they all will be equal. So here you observe very carefully, determinant of A का value should be 20. क्योंकि अगर determinant of A का value 20 होगा तभी 20 अंदर जाके सारे elements को multiply होगा and they all will become equal. So what is the value of the determinant of A? So determinant of A का value is 20. So लिखो therefore determinant of A is nothing but equal to 20. So which is the correct option? Option B is the correct answer. So by using the property of adjoint, we have found out value of the determinant of A and value of the determinant of A is nothing but equal to 20. Option B is the correct answer. Please make a note of this. Please note down. Next question, question number 2. We want to find out inverse of this matrix. First row is -1 and 5 and second row is -3 and 2 and these are the 4 options available. This question was asked in March 2017. हमें इस मैट्रिक्स का इनवर्स निकालना है. Okay, so solution. Okay, now let us consider the given matrix as A. So consider the matrix as A. So what is matrix A given to us, students? Matrix A is -1 5 in the first row, -3 and 2 in the second row. So now recollect what does the definition says? Matrix A दिया है. Now A inverse A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now recollect when we have done the theory lectures, मैंने आपको 2x2 मैट्रिक्स का एक शॉर्टकट भी बताया था. We can find out directly the A inverse by using that shortcut itself. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A. Now since it is a multiple choice question, we will not waste time in writing down the steps. Steps लिखने में time ज़्यादा ज़ाया नहीं करेंगे. Now can anyone tell me the value of the determinant? What is value of determinant of A? Yes, correct. -2 and +15. So value of the determinant is nothing but 13. -2 +15. So value of the determinant is 13. अभी देखो adjoint of A निकालने के लिए क्या करने का है? To find out adjoint of A, we have to interchange these two elements. ये जो diagonal elements होते हैं ना, इनको हमें interchange करना पड़ता है. तो -1 and 2 will get interchanged and will become 2 and -1. एक सिंपल सा फंडा है adjoint of A निकालने के लिए. Interchange the position of these two elements and these two elements will change only in sign. ये -3 है तो ये +3 हो जाएगा और ये +5 का it is going to become -5. So this is nothing but our A inverse. अब देखो कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. Which option is the correct answer? So it is option A. First option is the correct answer. A inverse is 1 by 13. 2 and 3 in the first column, -5 and -1 in the second column. Option A is the correct answer. Problem is over. Very simple procedure. A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A का value निकालना है. Adjoint of A निकालने के लिए change the position of the diagonal element. इनका पोजीशन चेंज करो और जो नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स है दे चेंज ओनली इन साइन और जो आंसर मिलेगा वही हमारा ए इनवर्स बन जाता है. ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. प्रॉब्लम इज ओवर. एमसीक्यू है, डायरेक्ट कर सकते हो, अलाउड है. ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. प्लीज मेक अ नोट ऑफ दिस. प्रॉब्लम इज ओवर. Okay, so let's move on to the third question. Now this is a theory question. Previous two questions we have done, they were MCQ. If matrix A is given, we want to find out and A inverse is equal to K into A given, we want to find out the value of K. A का value निकालना है. Okay, so now please start solving solution. Now please remember this is not a multiple choice question, तो कोई भी shortcut नहीं चलेगा. So first consider the given matrix A and सबसे पहले आप A inverse निकाल लो. Recollect A inverse निकालने के तीन तरीके हैं हमारे पास. We can use row transformation, we can use column transformation and we can use adjoint method. Now use either of the way and find out A inverse. That work is to be done by you. If this question comes in exam, this is going to carry 2 marks. Consider the given matrix A. You know the working rule. Matrix A is available already with us. Therefore, we find out the value of the determinant. Determinant का value निकालेंगे. So -4 and -15. So value of the determinant is -19. So determinant of A का value is -19, which is not equal to 0. So we know that hence A inverse exists. Now there are 3 options available with you. आप row transformation use करो, column transformation use करो या adjoint method use करो. Solve and find out A inverse. चलो A inverse निकालो and tell me your answer. I give you time. हो गया कि please let me know. Okay. So when you will find out A inverse, जब आप A inverse निकालोगे, so you'll be getting this. I'm writing down directly. Okay, now what we can do is this negative sign, let us take it inside this matrix. ये A inverse है, just check. Has everyone got this A inverse? Check कर लो आप.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now let us take this minus sign inside. So what is going to happen, students? When I take this minus sign inside, बाहर तो 1/19 सेम रहेगा. ये माइनस साइन अंदर जाएगा तो सारे जो एंट्रीज है वो सबका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. So this is going to become 2, this is going to become 3, this is going to become 5, and this is going to become -2. This is what is our A inverse. ये हमारा A inverse. But वो क्या बोल रहा है? A inverse is equal to K into A, and then we want to find out the value of K. उसने क्या देके रखा है कि A inverse is equal to K into A, right? तो आप लिखो therefore, आगे देखो, therefore A inverse is equal to, okay, now if you observe, A inverse is equal to 1/19 into this matrix. ये जो matrix है, this itself is nothing but matrix A. Please check. A inverse, ये मिल चुका है हमें A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1/19 times of matrix A. देखो यही हमारा matrix A दिया है उसने. तो A inverse is 1/19 times of A, and उसने दिया है कि A inverse is equal to K into A. But he has also given that A inverse is equal to K into A. So compare this expression, A inverse is equal to 1/19 into A, and A inverse is equal to K into A. So how much is value of K? So value of K is nothing but 1/19. That's it. Problem is over. K का वैल्यू क्या है? 1/19 है. Problem is over. That's it. Obviously A inverse का जो प्रोसीजर है वो आप फॉलो करोगे and you will find out A inverse, और उसके बाद कंपेयरिंग से हमें K का वैल्यू मिलेगा. Problem is over. वो प्रोसीजर आपने ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है. Please make a note of this. I hope everyone must have got the value of K. अच्छा, यही क्वेश्चन वो MCQ के लिए भी पूछ सकता है. You can ask this same question, find out the value of K. अगर suppose theory में नहीं पूछना है उसको, तो you can ask you like what he'll do, will give you 4 options like option A, option B, option C and option D. 4 ऑप्शन दे देंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल -1/19 दे दिया, 1/19 दे दिया, 19 दे दिया एंड -19 दे दिया. नाउ इफ he is asking this question as a multiple choice question in exam, then फिर इतना working करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Then you find out A inverse directly by using the short trick, 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Then compare and find out the value of K. Orally आपको मिल जाएगा K का value is 1/19. Sorry. And after getting the answer, you can tick mark your correct option and you can get your marks. तो अगर वो थियरी के लिए नहीं पूछता है तो दिस सेम क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड एज अ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन आल्सो. इफ इट इज अ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन, बहुत सारा वर्किंग आपको करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप डायरेक्ट आंसर लेके आ सकते हो. या बट इफ इट्स अ थियरी क्वेश्चन तो आपको वर्किंग प्रोसीजर शो करना पड़ेगा कि K का वैल्यू 1/19 कैसे आया. ओके.